Hi guys, it's Thomas here from COTBASE.com. Today I want to do a special video about the volume and open interest analysis page of COTBASE.com because occasionally we get questions regarding the usage of this service. I'd like to remind you that we have this part here on the page that will explain to you how we give these scores. It's very important that you read them. So, and of course, first of all, you have to be aware of what volume and open interest actually means. So we're talking about futures market, we're talking about commodities, we're talking about contracts. So I'd advise you to look into that before you move on to volume and open interest analysis. I've just recently received a question from one of our customers who's struggling to understand our volume and open interest analysis system. And the question is, does an above zero score for open interest, let's say, means that there were on average more new buyers or sellers that entered the market in the last 5 days? No. So we give scores for each and every day. Okay, so as you can see here, we have a 5 days period, and that is calculated from the 9th of October until the 13th of October. Okay, so that's 5 days, and for the 5 days, each and every day we calculate a score separately for volume and separately for open interest. So that has nothing to do, the score itself will not give you any information about the open interest or the volume increasing or decreasing, because a plus score can be given for either a increasing volume and also a decreasing volume as well, and that is explained in details over here. So I could of course read it up to you. So here how it goes. If price increased on a day and volume was larger for that price increase that day by a given amount, we give the day, as you can see, the day 2 points. If price increased and volume was average, then we give 1 point. And if price increased and open interest increased, we give the day 2 points. If price increased and open interest decreased, we give the day minus 2 points. Okay? If price decreased, so we're talking about falling price, and the volume was average, then we give minus 1 point. If the price decreased but the volume was larger than average, then we give the day minus 2 points. And there's also the question of if price decreased and open interest increased. So as prices are falling, the open interest is increasing, then we give the day a minus 2 points. If price is falling but open interest is decreasing, then we give the day 2 points. Okay? So as you can see, in case of open interest, it's either minus 2 or plus 2. There is no minus 1 or plus 1. But in case of volume, we're making a difference between average size volumes and above average volumes. Okay, so that's important for you to understand. The next question was, does an above zero score for volume means that on average more contracts traded for the last 5 days? That was the next question, but obviously my answer is the same. So you do not get any clue from a score whether the volume increased or not because of the previous description and criteria how we give the points. And yes, some of our customers are requiring us or would be happy if we could introduce volume and open interest charts underneath our price charts. Yes, we definitely understand the need for that, and we're doing everything we can to develop our system in a way that this will be available hopefully in the not too distant future. Unfortunately, right now, all you do get but I believe this is a fabulous part of our service, is you get the scoring system. So even if you had that chart over there, your eyes would not necessarily come to a objective solution as in case of this table. So I hope you with this video I hope to make volume and open interest analysis a little bit more clear for you. If you have any questions, of course, feel free to ask, and I'll try to do new videos as well. Okay, so take care and enjoy the service.